If Firefox keeps crashing with the message that the plugin container has stopped working, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get Firefox running smoothly again. We'll update Firefox, clear the cache and cookies, disable hardware acceleration, and then test Firefox in troubleshoot mode. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's start with the first step: updating Firefox and your plugins. Open Firefox on your computer, then click the menu button in the top right corner, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, select Help, then click About Firefox. Firefox will automatically check for updates and download anything that's needed. If an update is available, let it finish installing and then restart the browser. Keeping Firefox updated is important because many crash issues are caused by outdated files or compatibility problems. Next, let's clear the cookies and cache. Sometimes old browsing data can interfere with Firefox and cause the plugin container error. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear History window. Make sure both boxes are checked so you remove the cached files and cookies. Once that's selected, click Clear. After the process finishes, close and reopen Firefox and see if the issue is gone. If you're still seeing the error, the next fix is to disable hardware acceleration. This setting can sometimes cause browser instability, especially on certain graphics drivers or older systems. Click the menu button again, then select Settings. In the Settings search bar, type Performance. Scroll down to the Performance section. First, uncheck Use Recommended Performance Settings. Then, uncheck Use Hardware Acceleration when available. After that, restart Firefox so the change can take effect. This step often solves crashing and plugin-related problems. Now, if the problem still continues, the final step is to run Firefox in troubleshoot mode. This helps you check whether an extension, theme, or setting is causing the error. Click the menu button, go to Help, and choose Troubleshoot Mode. When the prompt appears, click Restart. Firefox will relaunch with troubleshooting features enabled. Then, click Open to start. If Firefox works normally in this mode, that usually means one of your add-ons or settings is causing the crash. From there, you can disable extensions one by one until you find the culprit. And that's it. By updating Firefox, clearing the cache and cookies, disabling hardware acceleration, and testing in troubleshoot mode, you should be able to fix the plugin container for Firefox has stopped working error in most cases. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Firefox troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.